Understanding the trucker's hitch. A key knot in everyday life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases, focusing on a unique and practical one, the trucker's hitch. This phrase is not just a part of language, but it also holds a significant practical application in everyday life. Stay tuned to discover its meaning and uses. The trucker's hitch is a term with dual significance. Primarily, it refers to a specific type of knot often used by truckers to secure heavy loads on their vehicles. It's known for its effectiveness in providing a tight hold and easy release mechanism. This knot has a fascinating history and is a staple in the toolkit of not just truckers but also sailors, campers, and anyone needing to tie a secure load. In the English language, the phrase, trucker's hitch, transcends its literal meaning. It's sometimes used metaphorically to describe a solution that is both ingenious and practical. For example, he used a trucker's hitch approach to solve the storage issue, implies the use of a clever and efficient method. Interestingly, the trucker's hitch has found its way into popular culture. It was popularized by a song and dance, highlighting its quirky yet functional nature. This aspect showcases how language evolves and integrates with cultural elements, making English a rich and dynamic language. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, giving you insight into the practical and linguistic sides of the trucker's hitch. Remember, English is full of such intriguing phrases, each with its own story and application. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.